Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geenan for SYS-CON TV here at 13th Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. James Weir is with me, CTO of UShareSoft. Welcome, sir.
Welcome. Yeah, thanks very much for,
Well, UShareSoft, come on, you guys have been great supporters of Cloud Expo over the years.
That's right, yeah, since 2010. Yep.
Yeah. So we have to ask, as people are watching, they've heard the name, they've seen all the social media activity, but you've finally got their attention. You can tell on the elevator pitch, what is it that UShareSoft does so uniquely, so colorfully, and so well?
So really, in a nutshell, we provide a cloud software delivery and management platform. So that's a bunch of words that maybe don't mean very much.
Well, unpack them.
So the platform itself, when you look at infrastructure as a service, cloud computing, I mean, you can boil it down to really just two things: self-service and automation. So people are very excited about cloud computing for really, when you boil it down, those two reasons. So infrastructure as a service is all about compute, network, and storage, self-service and automation around those things. And so what UShareSoft tries to do is to do the same things, self-service and automation, on how people onboard their software actually to run a service on top of the cloud platform. So we provide three bricks, or three pieces to that: a factory piece part, which we've had since 2008, so that's one of the main unique parts. So we provide a platform that can take any type of operating system and be able to build a machine image and run it anywhere that you like. We then came a couple of years ago with the marketplace. So the marketplace is now a hot area in cloud computing. So we provide a white labeled a marketplace for our customers. And now the newest piece, which I'm very excited about, is also migration. So we can now do live migration of workloads from one cloud to another, or cloud to physical to virtualization, and those kind of things. So those are the three piece parts of our platform.
Well, let's back up a bit then, James. So somebody's listening to that and saying, okay, so this is getting quite a mature company. They can do almost anything. So let's explain to them why. What's the background to UShareSoft, that you were always right at the cusp, right at the beginning, and now you're just knocking off those, making the new developments at a pretty rapid rate? So
at the bottom of the platform itself is very unique. We actually model the entire stack. So, when we say modeling, it means, we from the very, very lowest level of the platform, from the operating system, the keyboard, all the way up to the application and configuration information, we model all of that. And once you have a model, you can pretty much do a lot of innovation around that model. So you can share it, right? So you can start doing things like collaboration. You can share it in a marketplace. You can push very easily, provide tools to ISVs to actually then share their software into a marketplace very easy. That marketplace can be hybrid because it's still a model. So you can regenerate on demand different types of image formats to create machine images to run anywhere that you'd like to go. So at the bottom, the DNA of our company is all around modeling. So that's what makes the platform unique in that sense.
That's the secret sauce, and that's the share in the UShareSoft.
Yeah, I suppose so. Yeah.
Well, it must be. Hey, it's your name. I'm just saying it. So looking forward, then, so you got the migration piece now. I mean, without telling tales out of school, are there areas still that you don't have that you will be looking at next?
Yeah, sure. So we're. Initially, we're right upstream at the very end of when someone actually thinks about putting services onto cloud. So we're moving to the other extreme, which is all around about configuration management afterwards, right? So we do work very closely with companies such as BMC. We work with companies, Puppet, Chef are technologies that people use, and they combine our technology with that technology today. But there's other things around configuration management. For example, when you want to update live systems, you need to have a repository and manage that repository. So we're looking at ways in which we can provide some interesting tools around being able to help people actually manage and do configuration management on their live systems as well. So that's an area that we're looking at. Yeah. So that's one.
So these guys never sleep. Basically, that's UShareSoft for you in a nutshell. Just tell me, or remind me, still privately held?
Very much so. No VC money either.
So we can probably expect you to be acquired within 18 months.
Not something we're looking at the moment, but yeah, I mean, that's always definitely on the cards. What's very important for us is that we have some very big customers now. We're seeing a lot of cloud providers. We just signed CloudWatt, which is the French national cloud. That's a multi-million-dollar or multi-million-euro deal for us. We're starting to work with big enterprises such as Zynga. So actually this week I was actually giving them training yesterday. So there's some big companies out there looking at our platform, using our platform for industrialization and automation for onboarding the software in the cloud.
Nice, fantastic success story, and all because of Cloud Expo. No, I mean all in partnership with Cloud Expo. Thanks so much, James Weir, CTO of UShareSoft, and thank you for joining us out there on the World Wide Web. Watch this company, and of course you'll see them at Next Cloud Expo 2 in June. Thanks, James.
Thank you very much.